Hello everyone, it's your graphics Uni. So today we are going to learn how to do Impressionist Pointillist painting in Photoshop. Firstly, take a new file and then create it. Now take the photo you want to edit on. Now press on Ctrl+J twice. Go on the filter and click Pixelate and then click Pointillist. Now set the details and click OK. Now set the opacity at 50%. Now go on the second photo layer and click filter and then click on filter gallery. Now go on the artistic and click on palette knife. Set the details same as I did and click OK. Now go on the first layer and click this, then click on the levels. Now set the details accordingly and boom, it's done. Like and subscribe for more such videos.